Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to allow Snapchat to access your location only while you're using the app. This is a great way to stay in control of your privacy while still enjoying features like Snap Map. Let's jump right in. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control everything related to your device, including app permissions. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your phone. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device. Now, find Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This will open the app's settings, where you can manage notifications, storage, and most importantly, permissions. Next, tap on Permissions. Here you'll see what kind of access Snapchat currently has, like camera, microphone, and location. Go ahead and tap on Location. This is the setting we want to adjust. You'll now see a few different options. To make sure Snapchat only uses your location when you're actively using it, select Allow Only while using the